这是2019年美国消费性电子展在拉斯维加斯已经是登场了。那么现场我们看到，除了推出会折衣服的机器之外，还有一款是结合了手机互联网的冰箱。说这个冰箱很厉害哦，不管是叫车啦、上网，还是呢侦测家中食物的情况，只要一台冰箱就能够一次解决所有的居家问题。
Honey, will you call me Uber, please? I have to hurry.
Okay.
一早起床，上班快要迟到，走到冰箱拿早餐，顺手一个键完成叫车作业。累了一整天，回到家想要吃东西，点点冰箱面板，内建3个摄影机，清楚告诉你家里缺什么。
That's very nice. Should we send that to mommy?
Yeah.
就连画完图想分享照片，一台冰箱就搞定，还可以在上面进行书写。透过3颗镜头以及互联网，3星顺理成章用高科技冰箱把家人连在一块儿，还可以瞬间让任何人变成5星大厨。
Hi Bixby, read the first recipe.
Okay, for juicy roasted chicken. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
只要动动嘴巴就能够找到食谱，不过还有另外一招。
You can say, "Hey Google, look for my favorite chicken parmesan recipe." For those of you who are worried about the smart display spying on you when you're cheating on your diet, there's actually a physical shutter for the camera on this display, as well as a mute for the microphone. So even if you're just a little bit concerned about your privacy in the kitchen, there are ways to avoid that.
电器大厂惠而浦搭载 Google Assistant 最新面板，不怕手脏弄坏平板，还可以控制其他装置。
Play the Google Assistant ride.
Okay, playing the Google Assistant ride.
而 Google 当然也会大展身手，直接把会场变成游乐园，民众坐上特制小火车，透过情境剧情体验 Google Assistant 到底有多厉害。
Google put us on this little carnival-style cart. Feels like it might as well be their version of It's a Small World After All at Disney World. It starts taking you through the life of this guy. He's trying to pick up a cake from the bakery, and throughout they're showing how the Google Assistant can help him out. It's giving him directions, it's showing that there's terrible traffic ahead, it comes up with a new route.
Something we've written about a few times before on Engadget, but this is the first time we're actually seeing a working prototype.
衣服很多，不想要自己处理，业者推出折衣服机器，只要把衣服摊平，就帮你弄好。
Specifically, it works with mid-sized clothes. So we're talking tops, we're talking pants. Also, nothing of too thick of a material. So don't bother putting a sweatshirt in there. It's not going to work.
一台预计要超过3万台币，荷包要够深，家里衣服要够多才划算。2019年美国消费性电子展 CES 展出100种商品，台湾也有参加，表现相当亮眼。
But we see the next generation, the industrial revolution, go into AI, IoT, and AI IoT is not it's not industry, but it's application. You apply to every industry, in every vertical markets.
由科技部领军的44家新创团队，其中8家新创公司拿到 CES 2019创新大奖肯定，也预示台湾人才有能力在高科技产业市场卡到位，拿下利润大笔。